At Smart Orchard Day, we expected to see how technology is reshaping the future of agriculture. But what truly caught our attention wasn't just the gadgets and data-driven systems, it was the people behind the progress. Among them, we met Salvador Ayala, an intern at an agriculture tech company. His story is one of drive, hard work, and determination to build a brighter future.
I'm an immigrant. 6 years ago, I was in Mexico, and I told my dad that I want to move to America for a couple of reasons. One, it was for had a better education, and then for a better future. You know, I always passionate about being in school. I always passionate about learning new stuff, especially in technology. But unfortunately, we don't have the money to stay in Mexico and to keep my education. So I told my dad we had to move to America.
In 2018, Salvador and his father made the move to the United States. With little more than determination, he started as a migrant farm worker, working long days in the fields and saving every dollar he could. Today, Salvador is attending Heritage University, studying computer science. But his journey hasn't taken him far from the fields where it all began. Using his knowledge of technology, Salvador is helping growers embrace data-driven solutions, merging his roots in agriculture with his passion for innovation.
For example, I'm doing an internship this year when Steve in Innov8Ag. I'm running a lot of Python scripts, collecting data, analyzing the data, and putting it in databases. And we can share this data to the growers so they can see what can they do in their fields. So as you can see, I have different experience in different institutions. But man, that was my plan. My plan was to learn from different sectors and go back to what is my background, which is agriculture, and try to combine all my knowledge and try to see how can we collaborate with anyone who needs help. That was my main goal.
From the fields to the classroom and back again, Salvador's story is one of resilience, hope, and the power of possibility.
When all this technology are around, we need to be prepared somehow. So everybody needs to get prepared and do their best every single day. And be happy about the result that you're getting. It doesn't matter if it's negative or positive. Every result is an experience, and that experience needs to be with you all the time.